Hi there, hi boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of Friday. Yes, it's Friday. Almost weekend Friday, September the 2nd, 2022. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic, aka cyberblock in Dutch, but also in Japanese, Sudoku with 4 stars. Later on, but first the binary puzzle number 5114. Yeah, 5114. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. All right. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Okay, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Well, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, real quick. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We need to compare now. It's time for comparing. Yeah. Question is which? Can I compare the columns or the rows? I believe O11. Do we have O11 here? Yes. Yeah, this is the first row and that row. O 1 1 1 1 0 empty box 1 1 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. Very quick to solve. Yes, only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today in this additional tectonic with 4 stars. For the tectonic fans. Yes. See you then. Bye-bye for now.